same me whom you fear every. That is what I said. What?
Oh, Frank, you can't do that. I should do what?
I can't do that.
Cut. Frank, Pachoba Jina Yewa.
Watching Timiba, say, be a fool, say,
Second man, and so good position here. Position was it. I'm picking baby on the room. Action.
What's going on?
Oh, some mother's son. Oh,
But what do you think about?
Oh, so she's welcome here. She's my
That is not
friend.
what I said. Why is he here?
Seriously.
Why are you disrespecting me? Miss Emmanuel Murphy. Me person me whom will change you. Huh? Or anyone here?
She came to visit me.
Visit who? Miss Emmanuel Murphy.
Hello, are you talking about me?
Is
he talking about me?
I can't do that. Get out.
Who, me?
Who else is here? I'm asking you to leave my house today.
Are you serious?
What do you mean? Why are you disrespecting me?
Amma.
Let her go. What is your problem? I told you not to entertain her. I didn't tell you. They can't smell windy, right?
It's not what you said. It's not what you came my name for.
What is your problem?
You've embarrassed me. What's all this?
You are disrespecting me. You disrespected me. Bringing here at the first place, you know. And yet, very disrespectful to me.
Should you let her
That is what I'm doing.
in front of her?
Meet me and honey, me if I don't like you, I don't like you. Why should I detain you?
No, wait. Do you realize she's my friend?
So, she's your friend. And my cat said, "Man, in India, go be."
You can't tell me that, Frank.
I can't tell you
No,
that.
you can't tell me that.
So, and you choose between me and
It doesn't go into
no,
that.
we choose between me and
Ain't you hot? But you know.
Why? It's because of some empire. I want to say, you don't understand. If I tell you I don't like this, you don't understand. Is that what you want to do?
What has come over you?
It is simple. I know. I want to say. Next time, but you fear me. Maybe I need flow. Say nonsense. Who will be Jenny Penance? Who will police station? The next time, I'm going to fear you. Who will you see?
What?
Okay, guys, we are on live on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Charlie, you guys should say hi to you YouTube fans. Nah. Charlie, your YouTube fans are listening.
Our sound man, the dress here for too much. Attractive, sexy. Now what I know to know much come on. What's so? Your first boys. Oh, free job.
And the great Yamale is also here. Your life was Yamale fasting and ladies in here.
Total cheating in also. Yeah, the bunny giddy myself, Sassy, that train, videos no. Now she mother do any member do any bunny. Serious in the air. Ah, okay, my could you do me 3 years serious.
So what?
It's me, you have 3 years. Timothy, to touch it in here to us. Watch out.
Gila.
How do you go to me?
Hey, see, I told you less.
Manchester. I didn't go for Fanta. You know when you window. Now I'm just saying, Coco Matico. Yo, yeah. Meet this guy. I am mad for the baby. I'm mad. What be about so hobby? Hello, this is your girl Amalista. Please subscribe to Osewu's TV. Yes,
subscribe.
Like, comment,
share.
share, movie. Okay, viewers, and watch out.
Okay, and watch.
Viewers and watch out for me. I am my baby. Hi, Rita. If I tell you, don't know. My name is Dede. This is all of us. View and watch her too. Watch out for her. She's coming. Yes, I am watching her.
Oh, tell my guys here. Oh, say hi, Keke Frank.
Hi, baby.
All right, I'm on for a damasi. Now we come on.
What's the difference, baby?
Yeah, of course.
Atu.
What's it?
Hey, me you there?
What's it?